Can you comment if you're ready? Ready, yeah? Okay. This topic quite nice actually. Shouldn't be that hard. Okay, so today we talk about linear inequality, guys. Ketaksamaan linear. Okay, come. Ada. Linear law suddenly come out. Wrong already. Okay, this one. Okay, linear inequalities. Okay, ketaksamaan linear. So this chapter, right, guys, very simple. You master graph, you master this chapter. Kamu tahu cara lukis graph, kamu pro dah bab ni. That's it. You need to master graph. So it's quite technical lah. Sedikit benda-benda kamu kena ambil tahu tentang graph. Okay, so let me start first with just a basic thing on this chapter. Use insert page. Okay. So guys, linear inequality. So simple way to describe this chapter. Cara yang paling mudah nak bincang tentang bab ni. Linear guys, what does linear mean? Apa maksud linear? We analyze the word. Kita cuba analisis perkataan dia. Yes, straight line, correct. Inequality guys, what's the meaning? Apa maksud ketaksamaan? Not equal, correct? So basically, this chapter secara is just telling you the properties of a straight line that one of it is non-equal. Salah satu ciri-ciri garis lurus is it can be not equal to each other. Oh, you know Tarun, nah? Wow. suddenly people saying they know each other. Okay, so this is the property lah to show straight line not equal. So simple guys. Let's say I don't want to talk about maths now. Saya tak mau bincang dah pasal mathematics. I talk in terms of the inequality guys. Simple only. This one. Switch your mode, guys. Don't think about the maths inequality now. What are the types of inequality, you know, guys? Can you tell me? Apa jenis ketaksamaan yang kamu tahu dalam dunia ni? Don't talk about maths now. I'm trying to make you understand to another concept, inequality. What inequality, you know, guys? Can you tell me? Contoh. Just an example of inequality. No, not in maths concept. Generally, correct. Gender. I like to bring out this topic, guys. I don't know why, but you guys understand lah when I say gender inequality. Racial, I don't want to talk, cause got banyak kaum kat sini, saya tak mau cakap racial inequality. We talk gender, okay? To make it less controversial lah. Okay, gender inequality. So simple, guys. Boy, girl. Who is more powerful, guys? Tell me, siapa lebih berkuasa di dunia ini, boy or girl? Surely got one answer only lah, guys. Satu jawapan saja kat sini. Yeah, correct. Majority menang, boy. So boy is greater than girl. Okay, ini adalah salah satu contoh ketaksamaan lah, inequality. Boy greater than girl. If you want to put equal, can lah, guys. Untuk bagi sedikit kasihan pada perempuan, we give some sympathy to the female. So we put boy greater than or equal to girl lah. Okay, so how to draw this graph, guys? Let's say I want to draw a graph from this relationship. Okay, assume lah, guys. Assume. Let's say the boy is Y, the girl is X. Okay, don't ask me why lah, guys. Why boy is Y, girl is X. You know, right? Biology, semua belajar. Girl is XX, boy is XY. Am I right? XX, Y, XY. So that's why the Y is here. This one is the X. Macam tu. Sekarang kita lukis graph. Y versus X. Okay, so guys, how will this graph look like? Can you tell me? Y greater than X. Macam mana graph ni akan nampak? Macam mana saya nak lukis graph ni? Describe to me the graph. Yes, path to origin, correct. Okay, like this lah, something like this. Y equals to X. Okay, let's say I got equal sign, equal lah, guys. So that is a solid line. Okay, make sure got equal. Kalau tak ada sama dengan kat sini is a dotted line lah, guys. Remember, kalau tak ada simbol sama dengan, it's just a dotted line. Putus-putus punya. Okay, cannot be solid. So make sure you look at it carefully lah. So now they say greater than. So where should I shade, guys? Up or down? Perlu saya lorek ke atas atau ke bawah? Yes, up. Simple like that only. Okay, make sure you lorek like good lah. Lorek in a nice way so that the pemeriksa can see how you lorek. Okay, so make sure you shade correctly like this. Okay, make sure it's consistent lah. Bahagian mana tak faham? Which part? This one is y greater than equal to x. Oh, this one lah. Sebab lebih besar. Kamu kena tutup kat bawah ni. Anggap ni sebagai barrier kamu. Okay, jadi lebih besar maksudnya ke atas lah. When it's greater than, you must shade on top. Okay. Atas tu maksudnya macam ni lah. Bukan atas macam ni. Okay, atas dia condong sikit macam ni. Can you understand? Okay, good. So good guys, this example can make you all understand lah easily this chapter. Basically, this chapter is like that only, nothing much. So we can go to the detail lah. Of course, surely got some detail in this chapter. You can see like over here lah. Okay, these 4 signs you must know lah guys, whether you like it or not. 4 simbol ni kamu kena kuasai. Okay, lebih besar daripada, kurang daripada, lebih besar sama dengan, kurang atau sama dengan. Okay, English is greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, or less than, equal to lah. So make sure you all know the sign properly. Okay, and then okay, never mind, we go on, nothing much here. Okay, so this is an example lah where you can apply this linear inequality. Kamu kena tahu macam mana nak construct, bina ketaksamaan linear. You all need to know how to form a linear inequality. So you just use your assumption. Guys, make sure anggapan ni kamu kena tulis dalam exam. Okay, make sure you write this assumption in your exam paper, because then only the examiner will basically know lah what you are assuming. Okay, make sure this one you write. Okay, don't just simply put like this straight away, because they can ask you what is your x, what is your y. Apa yang kamu nak maksudkan melalui x dan y kamu. Okay, so make sure you put the assumption lah. So then should be no problem. They say harga sebuah buku rujukan is RM14. So one reference book 14 means X reference book, you got 14X. And then one exercise book RM9, you got Y exercise book mean 9Y. And then maximum is RM100. Okay, got some keyword lah guys. Maybe I'll go through with you all, we test and see whether you all understand the keyword or not. Okay, first one is at least. Okay, at least what is the symbol guys? At least tu selebih-lebihnya kan dalam BM. Kalau tak silap saya. I'm not very sure lah with the term, but I think so. Even less than yeah, sekurang-kurangnya. The other one is selebih-lebihnya. Thank you. This one is sekurang-kurangnya. Tiran sesat. Tiran. Simple situation for you, Tiran. I tell you straight, you understand already. I have at least 2 girlfriends. Means more than or equal to 2 girlfriends, or less than or equal to 2 girlfriends. Just now you put less than, you know. More than actually. So it's this symbol. Okay, at least is this symbol. Yeah, that's why. Okay, so this is the symbol. Okay, for at least. And then at most or selebih-lebihnya. So what is this symbol guys? How is it for at most? Okay, now correct. Less than or equal to. Okay, so this is the answer. And then got some more also. Lagi, this one is the normal one lah guys. More than means it's like this only. Lebih besar. Less than is like this only. And then got one more keyword. Maybe you will see is maximum lah guys. Maximum, what is the symbol? Apa symbol bagi maximum? Okay, less than, equal to. Then minimum will be more than or equal to lah. Usually they will play with this kind of words only. So I think there should be nothing else lah if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, should be about that. Kamu kena tahu semua yang ni lah symbol. Okay, and one more thing also actually. If you all remember lah, kamu pernah belajar ni dalam mendengar rendah actually, this chapter inequality. You learn this in your lower form actually. Okay, like the concept of solving linear inequality. Kamu masih ingat tak macam mana nak selesaikan ketaksamaan linear? Okay, I show you one example lah. Okay, maybe to recall your memory, because it's still tergolong di bawah bab ni. Walaupun nampak macam sikit berbeza, yeah, that technique. Okay, so I just give you an example lah question to try out and see. Okay, let me think. Okay, 4. Okay, so guys, what will be your answer for this? Apa jawapan untuk yang ni? Can anyone tell me ya? Final answer guys, jawapan akhir. What will you get for your x? Julat x, your range of x value. Macam mana dapat lebih kurang dari kosong? Haida, no. I think you all forget one important concept. Sama guys, try. Yang lain? Yes, correct. Sama answer, yang lain? What's your answer for this? This one basic, you know guys. Yang ni lower form punya. I rasa kamu semua dah lupa kot macam mana nak selesaikan yang ni. But it's under linear inequality. Bukan. Haida, yes, you got correct already. But what is your final answer? When you have two symbol like that, you have only one answer. Tak boleh tulis dua-dua. There should be only one answer out of that two. So which one? Haida is the closest already. Yes, correct. Okay, guys. So Haida's answer is correct. And Mighty, how you get less than 0? Macam mana kamu dapat lebih kecil dari kosong? I don't understand. Okay, guys, like this, This one, these two, you pindah kat sini. You shift the Paramisha. That one we cannot write like that because we have to choose one only in this case. Wait, I explain to you guys. So this one, 2 minus 2, you will get 0. Okay, kamu akan dapat kosong. So then you will get x is greater than. Oh, wait, Yeah, okay, correct. Must tukar symbol also for this one. Walaupun kosong bahagi a certain number must still tukar symbol, so less than 0. Okay. Anytime you divide a negative number in inequality, you have to tukar the symbol. Kosong bahagi negatif 4 kosong lah. Hajima. Apa-apa kalau if 0 on top, divide any number still 0 lah. Okay. So then this one, yang ni kamu pindah 5, shift the 5 to the right hand side, so you will get -1. So again same concept, must tukar symbol. Sebab kamu bawa ke yang ni ke sini. You shifting the -6 from the left side to the right hand side. So when become divide negative number, kamu kena tukar symbol. Okay, so 1/6. Okay, so in this case, I think just now you guys told the right answer lah. I confused already. Okay, so this should be the answer. Okay, sorry just now those who I told wrong because saya lupa ambil kira yang ni. I forget to consider this one. Okay, so this is your answer. Understand guys? Are you okay? Okay, good. If you want a clearer way to see, I can draw for you lah. Kamu tengok nombor line. Draw a number line, then you can see very easily already. Okay, x less than 0, maksudnya like this. You draw like this. Okay, then x greater than 1/6, you draw like this. Okay, maksudnya mana kamu kena lorek, where you need to shade the region. Okay, definitely in the middle lah. Kamu kena lorek kat tengah-tengah. Okay, because that is where it only satisfy. Yang ni semua rantau yang di tak satisfy sebab hanya satu inequality saja, only one ketaksaman. But both, kalau dua-dua ketaksaman, where does the region satisfy is in the middle only. Okay, the either side yang dua sisi tu only one inequality will satisfy, not both. Okay, so I hope you understand lah this one. Yang ni lower form, so I just recall a bit only lah for you guys. Cause later the objective question ada soalan tentang yang ni, that's why. Okay, and then this one, same thing again. So any problem understanding this guys? If no problem, I just continue lah. Cuba lihat soalan, kalau ada masalah kamu tanya kat saya. Can you see, do you have any problem here or not that you want me to explain? If no problem, just type no sahaja dalam ruangan komen so that I can continue. No, okay, I continue. Okay, so I think this one no problem lah. Yang ni basic sahaja. Okay, so next one. Okay, this one you must know lah. The rantau berlorek. Okay, where to shade. So example, this one guys, can you tell me what is the inequality for this one? Apa simbol ketaksamaan dia untuk yang ni? Can anyone type out for me? You need to find out the M and C value. Tak perlu cari nilai M dan C. I just want to see the sign only. Okay, yeah, correct. Greater than or equal to mx tambah c. Okay, then this one guys, how will it look like? Kenapa kurang? Yeah, still greater than guys. Tak berubah pun. Okay, can you see mereka label the upper region, rantau atas, maksudnya greater than lah. Tak ubah pun. Okay, hanya garis tu condong ke kiri saja. It only bend to the left. That is the only difference. Okay, one is bent to right, one is bent to left. Okay, this one is, can you guys tell what's the inequality? This one? Yang ni garis mendata, horizontal line. So the equation will be y equals to a number, constant, pemalar. Okay. So what is the sign I should use here, guys? Yeah, greater than, equal to. Y greater than or equal to h. And then this one, guys? Yeah, correct. Less than or equal to k. Okay, good. So this is the way lah. If they use dotted line, guys, kamu tak perlu tulis yang sama dengan lah. You know, to write the equal to sign if got garis putus-putus. Okay, that's the only difference. So other than that, nothing else lah. So, one thing I want to highlight here. Okay, guys, when you have equation, right? Sometimes when you construct lah, kamu akan berdasarkan soalan lah, based on the question, you will construct like this. Okay, and then suddenly you will plot the line lah. Okay, kamu akan cuba cari coordinate. You will try to find a few coordinates to help you plot the straight line. Am I right? Okay, so you will say x, y. You will say let x is 0. Katakan x sama dengan kosong. Kamu dapat y kosong. Temporarily, you can assume x is equal to 2y lah for you to do this step. Okay, kamu kena anggap dia sama dengan. Then only you can find out the value. Okay, then let's say I say x is 6. So my y will become 3 lah. 6 divided 2, you get 3. Okay, so now let's say I try to plot this graph. So 0, 0. And then let's say here is 6, here is 3. Okay, so like this. So I draw the line. Wait, not so nice. Okay, so guys, correct or wrong? Betul ke salah? This is a common mistake, guys. Is this correct or wrong? Yes, wrong. Lorek bawah. Okay, guys, remember, kamu tak boleh patuhi simbol ni secara direct. You cannot directly follow the symbol greater than or equal to, then direct lorek atas. Why I say like that? Because, look in front here. Nilai kamu X. Okay, make sure whenever you try to determine the shaded region, kamu kena pastikan ungkapkan Y dalam sebutan X. Okay, always express Y in terms of X for the inequality, then only you determine where to shade. Okay, so you will get 2Y less than or equal to X. So Y is less than or equal to X over 2. Means that less than, kurang daripada, must shade bottom. Can you see the difference, guys? When I don't express Y in terms of X, you see, I shade wrongly on top, but supposed to be shade at the bottom. Okay, it's opposite to each other. So make sure you always express Y in terms of X. Okay, then only you will get the correct answer. Okay, guys, are you clear up till now? Any question you have? Apa-apa soalan you want to ask? Nana? Okay, so I continue. Okay, so this one, if greater than, titik kat rantau atas lah, upper region. If less than, is on the lower region. If equal, means it's on the line lah, pada garis lurus. That's how you can check and see. Okay, sometimes they will ask you guys, adakah titik ni memuaskan kawasan berlorek. Does this point satisfy the shaded region? So how to know? You must substitute the point in the inequality lah. Kamu kena gantikan titik yang mereka bagi tu dalam kotak samaan. Then you'll see, you compare left hand side, right hand side, is it logic or not? If logic, mean it satisfy lah. If not logic, mean it don't satisfy the inequality. Okay, this one of the question also they like to ask. Okay, this the one lah guys I talking about. Okay, basically something like this. So guys, this inequality, can you tell me for this one, what is the inequality? Apa ketaksamaan dia based on the shaded region? You can type symbol guys, no need to type out the whole equation. Type out symbol saja, senang. Sun greater than or yes, correct. Okay, greater than or equal to. Okay, so this is your inequality, ketaksamaan kamu. Okay, so basically now you see the point lah. They give you these 3 points. Actually got more, got 5 points total. So they want to see yang mana satisfy yang mana. Wait, let me see. Why do they put dot actually? I feel like this should be equal to, you know, guys. The textbook maybe got error if I'm not mistaken. Because this one is a solid line, so should have equal to, but they never put equal to. Okay, maybe it got mistake lah. Never mind. Okay, so these 2 points basically kamu boleh gantikan lah. You can substitute in the equation given there, persamaan tu over here, then see whether it satisfy or not. Example, this one is your x coordinate, this one is your y coordinate. So you try and see. 4 is equal to negative 2, 1 plus 6. So 4 is 4. Means correct lah, satisfy. Okay, memuaskan ketaksamaan. Okay, then you try again. You try with 4 negative 2. Does it satisfy or not? You can check and see. Negative 2 equal to negative 2, 4 plus 6. So negative 2 is equal to negative 2. So definitely satisfy lah, correct. So that's why these two will satisfy the equation. Okay guys, you repeat the same thing only for the inequality. Exact same thing. Okay guys, are you clear with this? Boleh faham? This is how you check which point satisfy and which point don't satisfy. Okay or not? Until here. Okay. I feel like you guys think this topic very easy. I don't know why lah, I get the feeling. Okay, so next one, same exercise also. This one, you just have to check and see which one satisfy and which one don't satisfy lah. So you just have to substitute the points only. But for this, I think you must, oh no need, you just direct substitute inside this equation, then compare. Kamu gantikan x dan y terus only. So x is 2, y is 5. So you check and see 5 is equal to negative 3, 2 plus 6. So 5 is definitely greater than 0. So that's why it will satisfy this inequality lah. Titik ni akan memuaskan ketaksamaan yang ni sahaja, only this one. Okay. So basically this is your y lah. Okay. We just change in the format of y equals mx plus c only. Okay, to get the equation. And then this one, opposite, less than negative 3x plus 6. Again, you substitute in the equation. Don't care about the inequality. Just care about the equation only. So you just substitute 2 equal to negative 3, 1 plus 6. Then you check and see. 2 will be less than 3. So that's why it's less than over here lah. Okay, kecil daripada. Okay guys, the other two also same lah, nothing much. They just change the coordinate only. Okay, so it's the same thing. And then this one also same thing lah, basically they repeating only. Okay, this one no need. And then this one, make sure you must be careful of where you draw the line lah. So you see over here, these two symbol, make sure it's garis sempang, okay, dotted line. Sometimes you might be carried away guys, because you always think must draw straight line. So suddenly, accidentally in the exam, your graph paper, right, you suddenly draw straight line. So actually you waste your time, because you must erase the whole thing, lepas tu buat sempang. So make sure first time itself correct already, so that you don't waste time on the graph. Okay, so make sure you see what inequality you write in your previous question. If don't have equal sign, make sure it's dotted line. If got equal sign, then only you put the straight line. Okay, so this is the concept lah. So this one nothing much also. So next one. Okay, this one. Guys, can you try to tell me where to lorek? Question A, up or down? Atas ke bawah? Okay, correct. Atas. Now you guys not confused already. Okay, so something like this. And then this one, guys, atas ke bawah? Okay, correct. And then this one, atas ke bawah? Bawah. Okay, good. So shouldn't be any problem lah, guys. This one. Later you will combine a few inequalities, not only one. That is the complex one. Mereka akan gabungkan like 3 in 1 and then ask you where is the shaded region. We'll come to that soon. Okay. This one, guys, up or down? Number D. Okay, correct. Up. This one, right or left? Kiri ke kanan? Right. If you guys confused with the negative, right, you need to see actually the negative or positive value. Lihat saja kan mana simbol ni arah dia. Kalau dia arah ke kanan, lorek ke kanan. Because it's pointed to the right, so you just shade to the right. If it's pointed to the left, like this, means you shade to the left lah. No need to think so hard, which one greater than, which one less than. Because sometimes negative number you will confuse, right? Like -4 or -3, yang mana lebih besar. Sometimes you guys might confuse, then you shade wrongly. Okay, so just look at the symbol itself to tell you where to shade, left or right. Okay, then this one, guys, up or down? This one no choice lah, kamu kena tahu atas ke bawah sebab yang ni garis mendata. So up or down, guys? This one, yes, up. Okay, habis. Okay, so good. Okay, done. Okay, now we come. This the table lah, guys. Okay, untuk menggambarkan semua ketaksamaan yang kamu ada. All the inequality form statement you want to convert to inequality form. So how to do it? So you see, lebih besar is greater than. Kurang daripada is less than. Sometimes they will try to trick you guys. They will give you confusing word. Not less than. Tidak kurang daripada. So it's greater than or equal to. Make sure you have the equal to sign. Okay, don't forget. Same with this. Tidak lebih. Okay, less than or equal to. Okay, this one we talk about it already. Sekurang-kurangnya maximum, minimum. Okay, this one okay. Lebih besar. This one kurang daripada. Sekurang-kurangnya. Okay. All this same lah. Nothing different. Okay, only these two things make sure you're careful because sometimes you might confuse because of the word tidak. The not make you confuse. Okay, so that's the only thing lah. Okay, so next one. This one, this is a situation lah, guys. You have to construct the inequality. So I think should be no problem as well. Guys, selebih-lebihnya. So this one is at most lah in English. So at most means less than or equal to. Okay. So then they say X, Y murid, X. If the question already tell you, bila soalan dah bagi tahu X mewakili kuantiti apa, Y mewakili kuantiti apa, then you no need to write your assumption. Katakan X sama dengan what, Y sama dengan what. This one no need. Okay, no need if the question already mentioned to you. Soalan dah tetapkan use X and Y as which quantity. So that's the only situation. If they don't mention, then you must mention in your answer lah, basically. Okay, guys. So until here, clear? All good? No question, Okay, so I continue. And then this one also same lah, guys. This one you have to mention lah, which is your X and Y because they didn't tell you. Okay, so got jenama X, jenama Y. Okay, so easy already lah. So they say the total must tidak melebihi. Tidak melebihi means not more than. So must be less than or equal to lah, the sign. Less than or equal to 25. And then Y is sekurang-kurangnya, at least. So greater than or equal to 2x. 2 kali means 2 times of x. Okay. And then tidak melebihi. This one is something like at most also lah. So it's less than or equal to. Okay. And then this one also same. Jumlah pembelian. Jumlah pembelian, you must consider the price lah, guys. Of course, because you see the quantity, The quantity they are comparing here is the price. So your left hand side of the equation over here should also be comparing price lah. Then only it's a fair comparison, right? Okay, so 14x plus 18y will be less than or equal to 400 because tidak melebihi. Okay, so I think this is the last part for the simple one lah. Now we coming to the combined one. Okay, so this is where we combine all the inequalities. So guys, this bahagian, do you all confused ah? Kat mana nak tentukan kawasan berlorek tu kalau ada banyak ketaksamaan macam tu? Do you guys confused? Any one of you here can say yes? Or all okay? Or got confused? Only tutup. Yeah, that's the kaidah actually. Okay, so simple guys, I show you one example, then you understand what I mean. Okay, so let's say I have random lah guys, random example. We make it easy, semua ada sama dengan. Let's say I choose 3 lah. Okay, something like this. So let's draw lah and see. Okay, so y greater than or equal to x, your garis will be something like this lah guys. Okay, pass through origin, kena melalui asalan. Like this. Okay, and then the other one I said was y less than or equal to 3. Okay guys, y less than or equal to 3, straight line or horizontal line? Menegang atau melintang, this equation? Straight. Horizontal or vertical, not straight. Horizontal, okay, correct. Sometimes people confuse, this one. Because they sometimes confuse x, suddenly they put horizontal, y they put vertical, but make sure you know. Sometimes basic thing also like this can confuse. Okay, so y equals to 3 is like that. Okay, and then the next one, y greater than 2x minus 2. So this one how to plot guys? Kamu kena at least have 2 coordinate lah. Because to draw a straight line, you must have 2 coordinate always. Minimum. Okay, minimum requirement. So let's say x is 0, you will get y is negative 2. So let's say negative 2 is there lah. And then when y is 0, you will get x equal to 1. So somewhere here. So you draw the line. Okay, so now guys, where will be the shaded region? I give you all numbers lah. Saya bagi nombor kat kamu, lebih senang. Okay, wait ah. This one is y equals to x. This one is y is equal to 3. And then this one is y equals to 2x minus 2. Okay. So let's say you tell me the number, guys. 1, 2. The small region here is 3. This one is 4. And then maybe 5. Okay, guys, which is the answer? Yang mana jawapan untuk yang ni? Type for me the number. Wait, I also must see because I didn't do yet. Some more? The rest? What will be your answer? Some more? So far, I never see the correct answer yet. Tak ada jawapan betul lagi. Nope. Anyone else? Some more? Negative 5 ya? Mana ada kawasan negative 5? Saya pun terkejut. Yes, 1% already correct. Okay. So the answer guys is 1 and 2. Why you all don't choose 1? Mengapa semua tak pilih 1? Why? Saya tak kata X tu kena lebih besar dari kosong kan. I didn't say this condition means X can be negative 1. If only the question put this condition, then only 1 tu tak boleh. Okay, if I never say means you cannot assume. Okay, so definitely 1 is included also lah because it's above these 2 line, right? Dia lebih tinggi dari dua-dua garis ni. Can you guys get it? Why is that the answer? 1 and 2? Kena ambil kira 1 juga. Okay, good. So this one of the three question lah for you all. Okay, so I think should be okay. But usually, right, guys, in the structure, they will always give you this instruction. Have you all seen this, guys? Pernah nampak tak dalam soalan bab ni? Have you all seen this kind of instruction? Means they ask you to already make sure your answer is always positive. Nilai X dan Y kamu selalunya kena positif because they state for you already this one. They'll ask you to write 3 more inequality other than these two. Like this means you assume that region 1 tak boleh lah, hanya 2 sahaja jawapan kamu. Okay, but in this example, specifically I never mentioned this lah, so that's why 1 is included also. Okay, so yeah. So next one. Let me see. Okay, this one. Okay, guys, come, let's practice. Got many inequality here. So first one where I tell you lah, the region. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay, so what's the answer, guys? This one. This one, you assume that the x greater than 0 and y greater than 0 tak apply, okay? Condition 2 tak apply. Okay, got people spamming numbers already. Some more. Mighty, how you get 3 and 5? Macam mana dapat 3, 5? See the symbol carefully. 2, 4 sahaja ke? You have to consider this one also. Yes, and 1. Okay, so this is your answer. Okay, all of these guys is shaded. Okay, this one simple lah because got only 2 inequality, so quite simple. Now we try the one with 3. Okay, usually the more the inequality, the more complex it is lah because ada lebih banyak kawasan. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, let's say 4, and then 5, and then 6. Okay, answer, guys. Slowly, don't rush because sometimes you can mislook suddenly. Okay, some more. Try. Others? You must be brave to try, guys. Wrong doesn't matter here. It's all about trying only. Okay, so I reveal the answer. Okay, so the answer is 2 and 3. Okay, jawapan dia 2 dan 3. Haida. Automatically all of this out already. Because y greater than or equal to 0. Y equals to 0 is the horizontal line, remember? Y sama dengan kosong tu garis mendata. So everything must be above it. So definitely 4, 5, 6 out already. No need to look the rest also. Okay? So then you try to see greater than equal to negative x. So definitely 1 out lah. So the answer will be these two. Y less than 3 means these two satisfy. 2 dan 3. Okay guys, can you get it? Any problem? This one favorite question, guys. Section A, they like to ask one. Shade the region that satisfy the inequality in paper 2. They like to ask one, this one. Okay. So if no one respond means all okay. I assume everyone okay. So I just proceed. We coming to question already. Okay. So this one, this one actually no need. It's the same thing lah, basically, guys. Okay. Nothing new. So any question you guys you want to ask before we start do exercise? Any question up till now? Apa-apa soalan? Guys, all sleeping. Any question? Tell no if you don't have. Okay, none. So I proceed. So now we do question. So guys, you all want to answer public or I call people to answer the question? This is my favorite part. Everyone want to answer generally or I call specific person to answer? Which one you guys want? Open to you guys. I give you all the choice. Okay, everyone like public lah. Okay, never mind. Don't worry guys. Remember, I make one extra class for you guys. That one, the Saturday, Sunday. That one I'll call not public, specific person to answer. Because that one is really the one to focus on those who join that group. Okay. So okay, so never mind, we discuss. So make sure you guys answer when I ask. So they say X pieces of adult t-shirts, Y pieces of children. Total number at most. Okay guys, first inequality. Can you all type out for me? Ketaksaman yang pertama. They only ask 2 over here. Okay, correct. At most means less than or equal to. Okay, and then the next one, total number of children t-shirt is more than double the number of adult t-shirt. Y greater than, wait, let me see. Okay, correct. Okay, so everyone refer to Haida's answer. Okay, that's the 2 answer for question A. Okay, itu adalah jawapan. Okay, so yeah, this is how you do it. And then for part B, this one is up to you lah guys. You all must practice this one, your graph drawing skills. Can you see guys how many marks they give you over here? 4 marks, quite a lot, just for drawing a graph actually. So graph is very important part in this chapter. Okay, so all your answer after this bahagian is dependent on your graph. So your graph must be correct, no other choice. Okay, so now basically you got 2 inequality. So guys, how can I plot the graph? Can you all tell me an idea? I got these 2 equation now. So what should I do? Apa langkah saya? How to get the graph? What's my first step guys when doing this question? First step. Just describe in simple word guys. Bagi tahu dalam perkataan mudah saja. Yes, you mean like this, Keshav? You mean do box is like this? Okay, correct. So basically, you're going to plot your x and y coordinate lah. So guys, over here, what is the best coordinate I can choose? Apa coordinate yang paling mudah? Can anyone tell me for this equation? 2 coordinates. The easiest one you can think of. Random x and y value, which is the easiest? Yeah, just assume 0 lah. Yes, 0, 100, 100, 0, finish. Okay, but this one cannot lah guys, the second one. If you do like that, you will still get both also 0. So you must think of another coordinate. Okay, let's say the first one is 0, 0 lah. And then maybe the second one, maybe you can put x is 30, y is 60. Okay, this one also can, anything can. Yeah, take a factor of 2, yeah. Make sure the number of y can divide by 2 completely lah. Boleh dibahagi dengan penuh tanpa sebarang baki. Okay, so again, make sure you follow the scale lah. Both axes 2 cm to 10. Okay, you must follow the scale and then only you shade the region. So this one I believe you all can do lah. You all must do over there. So I just show you the answer only from my side. Okay, so you will get something like this. Okay, the shading is dependent on your inequality lah guys. So you can see over here, greater than 2x means shade up. Okay, and then less than equal to 100, shade down. So this is the region that satisfies lah. Okay, so this is how you can determine. So any question guys you want to ask on the graph? Any question you have? Like any doubts on the graph? I think everyone like graph, right? Recently, guys. A lot of you talking about graph recently, right? Am I right? Graph has been a very popular topic recently, right? For the SPM students. Am I right? Fun, right? Straight or curve, guys? Lurus ke lengkung? Mana satu? Straight or curve? Linear or quadratic? I don't want to kecewa you all lah, never mind. Which one straight? Maybe I know you straight lah, but I don't know whether the graph straight or curve. Oh, Nike shape also got. Oh, very nice. Got Nike shape also. This one is the ADMATS lah, guys. The modulus graph. This one ADMATS graph. Modulus x plus 2. How you draw is the V shape like this. Got many types of graph. Okay, never mind. I don't want to traumatize you already. In this chapter in maths, all your graph that you draw will be straight. No worries. But definitely, if they ask you to draw quadratic in maths or maths, is like this lah, curve. Okay, other than that, no other graph. Okay, maybe if cubic got lah sometimes in maths. Okay, sometimes they'll ask you to draw cubic graph because from the lower form topic, they will ask you to plot random values in the jadwal, then ask you to draw the graph. Okay, so you can get cubic graph also. Okay, so basically, how you score the 4 marks, macam mana nak dapat 4 markah penuh. This is the schema, guys, you can see. Okay, first thing is you must draw the x-axis and y-axis. This one include correct scale lah. Okay, this one means you must follow the scale. Okay, and also one more thing, I think got people discuss about this symbol, right, in Amali, if I'm not mistaken, guys. Ada yang bincang tentang simbol ni kan? Am I right? Okay, this is actually called, I think, I also don't know the exact name lah. I forget the exact term, but it's used to show a jump in the scale, lompat. Okay, because sometimes your scale, this sometimes is useful in your Form 5 Chapter 7, guys. Remember, when you're trying to draw your histogram, sometimes the symbol come in handy, you know, when you want to jump scale. So you must know when to use the symbol. Okay, later when we enter that chapter, I'll tell lah in more detail. But for this chapter, no need. Okay, this one no need. So yeah, just to show you all only. So then you must draw the garis lah. Make sure it's a dotted line. Okay, garis putus for this equation, and then this one is solid line. Okay, and then make sure you shade correctly. So these are the 4 criteria to score the mark. Okay, so I think shouldn't be a problem lah to get the full mark. This one is really like bonus if you can do it correctly. Okay, so then for the next one, let's see if the part C question. This one is recent trial, you know, guys, this question. Linear programming is same concept lah, guys. Totally same concept. Anyone take ADMATS here, your Form 5 Chapter 7 is exactly this. What you learn here, everything apply there. What I'm teaching now, yeah, but same also anyway. Only thing new maybe is you got this term called objective function, if I'm not mistaken. Am I right, guys? You have to construct this function for the later part. Same, but still same concept. They just call it that way only, but you just have to, yeah, you must draw the dotted line all a bit lah to find the maximum point, but still the concept can be explained to this chapter 1. Okay, hey, that's a famous question, Haida. Usually they like to ask in maths. Okay, but you can see from this also and apply the concept there actually. Okay, so never mind, we focus here. So they say maximum number of adult t-shirt if 75 children t-shirt is purchased. Okay, so guys, children t-shirt X or Y, can tell me, is it referring to the X or Y, the 75? Which one, guys? 75 tu mewakili X ke atau Y? Can you see the assumption, if I'm not mistaken? Maybe you cannot see the earlier this thing. Okay, Y, let me check and see. Yeah. Okay, and this one is Y, I think. The children. Children is, yeah, Y. Okay, so Y is 75 means you must find your X value now. So what is the method, guys, to find? Can anyone tell me? You all do Amali, right, guys? This one what came out, Kimia Amali. What is the method you use to find from y-axis to x-axis? What's the name of the Qaeda? Kimia Amali. This question came out, remember? They asked to do, what is the method called? When you got something like this, there I show you. You all still blur from the Amali. Let's say I got this value, then I want to plot down to find this value. So what is this method called? Anyone know? Opposite, Pamisha. This one is called interpolate. You got the concept almost already. Extrapolate is something like this, guys. I can explain to you. Okay, wait, let me do better. Yeah, interpolation. Extrapolate is this one. Okay, let's say I talk a bit of physics lah, guys. Guys, you remember pressure versus temperature, right? Your physics form 4 chapter 4. This is a good way for me to explain lah. Remember when temperature, you will cut something like this, right? When the temperature, the unit is degree Celsius. Am I right? Kalau unit suhu tu darjah Celsius, graph dia akan potong pintasan Y. So you must actually extend your graph until it reach this temperature, which is called the absolute temperature. Am I right, guys? If I still remember my physics correctly, lah, you will get negative 273 as your absolute zero temperature. Okay? Betul-betul kosong to get 0 Kelvin. Negative 273 is 0 Kelvin. So this method that I use here is called extrapolate. Can you guys understand now the method? Means you extend your graph. That's why it's called extrapolate. Okay, interpolate means inside the graph itself. Inter. Okay, you do something inside. Okay, guys, are you clear? Okay, so I continue. So this is the concept basically. So next one. So basically you must draw on your graph lah and see what is the x value you will get. Guys, this one no fixed answer for the x. They will have a range of value because each person graph will be different. Okay, so you see over here, what value I get is 27. Okay, when I do the interpolation lah. Okay, kaidah interpolate in BM is what? Anyone know? I also not sure actually. But this is the method I'm talking about. You will get 27. Okay, but 27 definitely is not the only answer. Maybe they can accept from 25 to 29, maybe. Okay, maybe lah, I'm thinking. Okay, the possible range of x value. Okay, other than that, surely wrong lah, guys. Too far away already. Okay, so this is the possible range. So as long you answer in the range, you get the mark. Okay, so that is for C1. And then for C2, guys, I think this is what you all talking, right, about the objective function, if I'm not mistaken. I think this is the question lah to show it basically. Okay, the NMAX one, objective function, but in this case, it can be a simpler way lah. So this one they want the maximum amount, if I'm not mistaken. Calculate the amount if the price is this one and this one. Oh, based on the previous answer, kamu kena tengok jawapan sebelumnya. Just now they say 75 children t-shirt, right? And 27 adult. This one actually no need graph also. You just count normally only. Okay? So it's based on the answer again lah. So guys, can anyone tell me answer for this question? This one no need the graph. Normal maths only. Mathematics biasa saja. You can get the total. Let's say kamu guna dua-dua nilai ni lah. Anggap. So what will be your answer? Total amount. Answer? What will be your final answer? Total amount. One adult t-shirt RM30. So you got 27 adult t-shirt mean? Guys, am I lag? No one answer also? Guys, how to count total? This one. Final answer. Or you all don't know how to do? Yes, correct. Okay, 30x plus. But what is your x and y, Haida? What should I substitute my x and y with? They ask total, guys, total amount, not to give expression. I want a value, an exact value. Yeah, correct. 1935. Okay, so 30, then you times with adult, 27 adult times 27, then plus 15 children, so 75. So you get total is 1935. Can you guys understand? Just now all silent only. Are you all okay with this? Anyone don't understand? Please tell, don't just silent over there. This is the answer, that's all, nothing else. Okay, guys, are you clear? Please respond. Everyone get tired already after the Amali. Okay, so I proceed to the next one. This one's the same thing lah. I already explained. Okay, come, this one. So I sketch for you, then you tell me the inequality. Okay, so y equals x plus 6. So guys, how to draw this graph? Can you tell me? Tell me two points to plot for this equation. Just 2 points enough already. Huh? Overthinking about calculator yang tinggal dalam kelas? Oh, for Amali, is it? Yeah, correct. Okay, you will get 0, 6, 1 titik, and also negative 6, 0, 1 titik. Okay. Make sure you guys focus over there. Don't just like sleep off like that. Okay, so you will get solid line like this. Okay, so this is your first line lah, guys. Garis pertama. So next one, x is less than negative 1. So guys, horizontal or vertical? Menegak atau melintang? This one. X less than negative 1. Yes, vertical. Okay, good. At least someone is back. Don't know what happened to the rest already. So solid or dotted line? Penat guys, you all must fight for SPM, don't just penat like this. It's a continuous war. Just because 3 paper Amali, you penat already. Imagine of the war ahead. Come on. Okay, x is like x equal to negative 1. So dotted. Okay. So next one. Y equals to negative x minus 1. So guys, 2 points. Can you tell me what are the 2 points? Okay. I think you guys too much focus on it already. That's the problem. Until late at night. And then one more point, please. For this one more point. Anyone? Satu lagi titik. Yeah, negative 1, 0. Correct. Okay, so now you can plot. Okay, so 0, negative 1, negative 1, 0. If you don't know how to find the point, please tell me, guys. Don't just silent over there. Okay, so you'll get, sorry. You don't know how to get the point, I explained to you. So your equation is negative x minus 1. Y equal to negative x minus 1. So guys, same method like just now. The simplest way is kamu katakan y sama dengan kosong and katakan x sama dengan kosong. Make these two assumptions. X, y, 0, 0. So when x is 0, means your y is negative 1. Your y is 0, your x will be 1 lah. Can you understand, Izati? Something like this. Wait. Sorry, this one is negative 1, 0. X is negative 1. Can you get it now? Just let x is 0, y is 0. Then count the other two values. Okay, guys? Any other question? Okay, so now you guys tell me, where should I shape this? Which regions I kena lorek, guys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, tell me, guys, which region? If you cannot see the question, I scroll up. Okay, now, what are the numbers? Some more? Others guys, what region do you all get? Apa kawasan kena lorek? What do you all say? Okay, 3, okay, good. I scared you guys when silent there, you all don't know what I'm talking actually. That's the feeling I get. That's why I need you all to respond. Okay, so 3 is the answer. Okay, so this is how you do it lah. So basically, if you confuse, one way you can use is just use your ruler and cover the rest of the region yang tak berkaitan. Whenever you see an inequality, you just take your ruler and put it there so that you don't focus on the one that is wrong. Then you narrow down your option. Just continue putting the rulers that you have. Then you will find the answer. So example, y less than or equal to x plus 6 basically is down over here lah. Kamu kena lorek bawah. I think I know. Guys, your red color you don't like, guys. Do you all feel like red color is a bit stressful for you all? Am I right? I don't know why I suddenly get this idea. Is it true, guys? Red color is stressful a bit for you all to look at. Am I right, guys? Yes or no? I just trying to think of something that's making you guys maybe feel a bit stressed. Yeah, I think so. I think the red color make the atmosphere not so good. Yeah, because some people complain to me in the feedback form. They say don't always use red color. That's why suddenly I think of this suggestion. Okay, so never mind. I try to improve, use different color. I don't know whether it helps lah. I think blue is better lah, more calming for y'all. Okay, so this one is 1. Hey, you cannot get the straight line. This is the problem, guys, and draw on iPad. Okay. And then x less than -1. So I just want to explain again the shaded region. And then this one and this one. Okay, so guys, this one, they say x is less than -1. So I focus here lah, this side. Okay, and then this one must focus bottom because they say y is less than or equal to less than or equal to x plus 6. Okay, and then got one more inequality, y greater than -x minus 1. So basically you shade to the right lah. So guys, can you see where all the lines intersect? It's over this region. Okay, the common region is here. That's why number 3 is the answer. Okay guys, are you clear? Can I proceed? Okay, good. I feel you all very burnt out after the Amali already. Am I right, guys? I don't know why lah. I get the feeling from you all. Because usually the response not like this. Very, very different. I think so also. Never mind. We just fight on lah, guys. Just fight a bit, okay? I know it's tough, but when the going gets tough, the tough gets going, right? Am I right, guys? Got one saying, right? When the going gets tough, the tough gets going. So try to take that as your motivation. Okay. So next one, come. Be focused. This one all exact 2023 trial question, you know, guys, from all the state I take. So it's brand new question, this one, not the whole year already. This one is the exact one that came out for some states. Okay. So it's good to try out. So this one, they say roses plant, orchid plant. So guys, this one you must make assumption lah. So basically you can assume X is roses plant, Y is orchid plant because the question never tell you. Maksudnya kamu kena nyatakan. You must tell over here. Your X represent what, Y represent what. Okay, so that the examiner is clear lah. So this one, guys, this one is a bit interesting. So can I know for the first inequality, what will be your answer for this info over here? This one until this one. What will be, that's the inequality. This one, 600 to spend means that's the maximum lah. So that's why it's less than or equal to. Okay, this first part, the question never tell you, but kamu kena faham lah. Kalau 600 sahaja untuk belanja, kena lebih kurang atau sama dengan lah. Okay, so 10x plus 15y less than or equal to 600. Okay, and then the number of plants bought at least 40. So can you guys tell me what is the inequality for this one? At least 40 means, yeah, greater than or equal to 40. So x plus y greater than or equal to 40. Wait, let me up a bit. Okay, so last one, they say the number of rose plant is at most same as the number of orchid plants. So how will this one look like? What's the inequality? At most. So how will you write it? Anyone? At most? I tell you all lah, x less than or equal to y. Okay, correct. Okay, so x less than or equal to y. So from these three, you are going to draw the graph. Okay, so all of these you must know lah how to draw the graph. So guys, first step, graph, what to do? Can you all recall? Langkah pertama graph, what should I do? What is the thing I must find first to plot the graph? Yes, get the points. How to get the points? Apa langkah dia? Table box. Okay, good, good. Okay, so basically x is 0, y and y is 0. Kamu buat anggapan tu saja. Then you can draw. Except for this one lah guys. This one kamu kena ada satu lagi titik. Maybe 30-30. Macam tu. Okay, because this one there is no number. Tak ada constant. So you must pandai-pandai lah. So make sure this one guys. What should I do here guys? Can I direct look at this and log? Yes or no? X less than or equal to y. Can I direct shade down? Can or not? X less than or equal to y. Can I direct shade to the bottom? What I mean like this lah. Can I do like this? Correct or wrong? Okay, wrong. Make sure you must change. Okay, always remember change. That's why I'm trying to reinforce to you all. Must change to like this. Okay, make sure y in terms of mx plus c selalu. Okay, then only you know where to shade. That's the only trick here. This is the only part maybe you might get wrong lah. So that's the problem. If you get this one wrong, all these questions no need to look lah. You wrong also lah. Simple as that. Okay, this why this type of question easy to gain mark, easy to lose mark. If you careless, gone. All this mark you will gone already. Just like that. Because of one mistake. Okay, so make sure you all careful lah when these graph things come out. Okay, so your graph will look something like this. Okay, so this is how it will look like. So again, you see lah the criteria. Both axes uniform scale they will check. All the straight line drawn correctly. If dotted line means dotted, if solid line kena solid, and then of course the shaded region must be correct. Okay, then you will get the marks, 4 marks. Usually drawing graph is 4 marks. Okay, so this is how you can draw lah your graph. Okay, so I don't think should be problem lah. This one nothing much to explain. It's all on how you draw or not only. So anyone got problem drawing graph here? Anyone has a problem in this part? Because sometimes drawing graph, some people might struggle, and it's quite a pity lah if you struggle in drawing graph, because graph is actually a major part in maths. You can score mark. It's like a life savior. Okay, because it's so technical. If you know how to do, you already get the mark. Simple as that. No problem. Okay, so I proceed to next one. This one you all must try on your own. Then only you will get the experience. Okay. So now they ask find the minimum and maximum number if bought 24 orchid plants. So guys, orchid plant, X or Y? Which one? Just now the assumption I made, orchid plant was X or Y. Anyone remember orchid plant? Was it X or Y? Hello? X or Y, guys? This one, orchid plant. Just now when we construct the inequality time, it's Y, Okay, you will get Y. Okay, so Y is equal to 24. So you must find your X value. Okay, so based on that is based on your graph lah, the answer jawapan kamu. Okay, so you refer to the graph and draw the line y equal to 24. Okay, like this. So guys, can I ask you, this point, maximum or minimum? The one I circle over here. Which one? Max or min? Minimum. Okay, this one is maximum. Yang lebih ke kanan, the more right will of course be maximum because the higher value of x. The more left one will be the minimum because lower value of x. So again guys, this one, can I ask you, is terpotong dah. Sorry ya guys. The answer I get is actually minimum is 16, maximum is 24. So can I ask you guys, is this the only two answers? Adakah ni dua jawapan sahaja? Yes or no? Is this the only two answers? Yes, ada lagi. Remember, there is always range one, so no need to be afraid. Maybe it'll be 15 to 17, this one. Maybe this one will be 23 to 25, maybe something like that. Okay, so any answer within this range is accepted. Okay, so no need to worry if you don't get the answer also. Okay, so next one. I think this one is the last subjective, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, last subjective. Okay, so let me see the question. Okay, state 3 inequality. Guys, anyone volunteer? Answer this question for me. Anyone? Be a brave person and answer this question. Simple one only, 3 inequality. Anyone volunteer? Type me if you want to volunteer. Come on, come on. All my batch 06, all the handsome boys and cute girls, who want to answer? What? Even answer already. Y greater than x. Yes, very good. Second person, volunteer. Second line. Anything, choose anything you like. Just tell me the inequality. Y less than 5. Y, okay, some more, one more. Anyone? You already score 2 mark, one more mark. The one more, I think you need to construct a bit. Why suddenly equal? Greater than. Not greater than. Still wrong. Almost there already. What is missing there in the answer? Remember, if solid line must have, equal sign. Okay, so guys, these are all the answers. Okay, all the 3 answers over here. Okay, so the answer is y greater than or equal to negative x plus 6, y greater than x, and y is less than 5. Okay, all the 3 is this one. Okay, guys, clear? Any problem this one? I don't think so. We move on to the next one. This one also is you must construct one more equation, actually, one more line, and then determine the shaded region. So guys, can I ask you, this graph over here, the one I point to, represent number 1, 2, or 3? Which equation? Can anyone tell me? The one I point to. Maybe I zoom out so that you all can see. Does it represent equation number 1, 2, or 3? Maybe I need to like this. Okay. Let me check and see. I think the craft is X. This one is craft. This one is cooking. Craft is X, cooking is Y. So now you try to see. The one I point there is number 1, 2, or 3. I hope you all know how to see lah. Which one is which one? Yes, very good. Number 1. Okay. Why? Because they say at least twice. Okay, means 2 times of Y. Okay, X is greater than or equal to 2 times of Y. So basically, you just need to refer to the graph. The relationship should be 2 times of each other. So can you see, guys? Let's say I take a random point, 10, 20. The relationship is times 2. I can also take here, this one is 5, 5, 10 times 2. Okay, so can you see the pattern? It just repeat only until it form a straight line. Okay, so that's why that is number 1. So how about this one, guys? This line, 2 or 3? You can refer up here. Others also try to see the arrow I label. Is it belong to number 2 or number 3? This one. Very good, number 2. Okay, so how to identify? You look at the number 1/7. So again, you try to see the relationship between the points. Okay, so you can see like maybe which is a good point. Actually, no need to see the point also lah. You just look at number 3, you will know already. Guys, does not exceed means x plus y less than or equal to 60. So definitely this graph that I point there, definitely not x plus y less than or equal to 60 lah. Because if it's that case, one point must be 0, 60, another point must be 60, 0. Okay, jadi graf ni tak menunjukkan hubungan pun. Yang ketiga, x tambah y sama dengan 60 means dia belong to the upper one lah, number 2. Okay, so now your task is to draw x plus y equals to 60. So how to draw? Just plot these 2 points lah, then draw the line. That's all. So guys, now your turn. Where is the shaded region? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tell me the answer. Where will be the shaded region for this one? If you want to see the question, you can see also. You all must get the inequality correct, then only you will know where's the shaded region. Once you get the answer, tell which one is the shaded region. So anyone get already? Shaded region. Which one? Which number? Yeah, correct. Okay, the answer will be 3, guys. Okay, you should get 3. Okay, so anyone got problem in this to get 3? Can you tell me, please? I can explain to you how to get 3. Anyone? All okay. Siapa-siapa tak tahu macam mana nak dapat 3? Anyone? Can raise your hand or not? All okay, So if okay means we end the subjective already. Okay, finish all the subjective already. Okay, so this will be the answer. Okay, so this how you can get the inequality actually. Okay, so this how I shade the region. So any problem, guys, up till now? If okay, type yes. I want to see everyone type yes. Type yes for me if okay. Okay, so next one. Okay, so now we do objective. This is your time, you can tikam a bit. Okay, come. Question number 25. Answer, please. Some more. Don't sleep. This one objective only. Senang saja. You all can do. Okay, correct. So the answer will be A. Okay, so anyone got problem how to get A? Things should be no, right? Because you just need to collect all the terms with M. Kumpulkan saja semua. term yang ada M2 kat satu belah, lepas tu semua nombor satu belah. So you'll get like this. So the trick here is banyak pelajar akan buat macam ni. Am I right? A lot of you might forget to switch the sign and then say the answer is B. Okay, usually this is the common mistake lah, but make sure when you bring negative over, you must change the sign. Okay, common mistake, this one. So that's why the answer is A. Okay, so next one, number 26. Answer, this one needs some time because you need to solve simultaneous. Some more? If anyone don't know, please tell how to solve this one because maybe some of you might have forgotten from the lower form. Others guys, answer? For this one, number 26, do you all get or not? Any answer? Come on. Some more, some more. Why everyone say C, yeah? Wait, let me check and see. The answer should be B if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Pamisha, correct. The answer is B. I don't know why you all actually include the negative one, but you can see over here. You try to solve this one, guys. You will get y is less than negative 5 over 3. Okay, means is the negative one actually included? Less than, means start from negative 2 onward. Okay, so that's why negative 1 cannot be included. Yeah, that's why you all confused. That's why I say negative. A lot of people confuse one. If it's greater than, then negative 1 is included. Yes. Okay, guys, can you understand the mistake? So make sure don't include negative 1. Okay, because this value, I think, if not mistaken, is negative 1.3333. Okay, so it must be to the left, below that, which means the value is less than lah. Okay, anything to the left of negative number means less than. Okay, so that's why the answer is B. Okay, guys, any problem here? This one is a trick question lah, something like that, to make you all get the wrong answer. Okay, so next one. Okay, this one I think can solve. Can you all try and see what do you get for M and N? These exercises actually help you to recall your lower form basic actually, because this one come from the lower form and like to ask in the paper one also still. Okay, although this is lower form, but it's related to inequality. Okay, some more. Steven, what's your answer for this one? You silent only? Anyone struggle this one? Oh, you get the answer, the good. Okay, so correct. The answer will be A. Okay, so how to solve this? Again, same concept. Okay, you must try to do it separately. Okay, so this one less than -6. So make sure you switch the sign. Kena tukar symbol. So less than or equal to 2. And then this one you can expand. 2x plus 12 greater than 4. So you get 2x greater than -8. So x greater than -4. Always guys remember when the symbol is opposite. Bila simbol dia bertentangan, jawapan dia selalu dalam format macam ni. It's always in a range like that answer. But if the symbol is same, let's say something like this, both of the answer you get this symbol, means the answer definitely will be in this symbol and only one value, satu nilai saja. This is a quick tips. Okay, whenever the symbol is opposite to each other, like this one, these two, definitely, sorry, when you have negative and then the symbol tukar, refer to your final answer. Whenever you have two opposite symbol, your answer will definitely get something like this. Okay, but if it's in the same direction, definitely your answer is like this. Can you guys get me? This some tips lah for you all. Okay, when you see opposite means definitely it's in like a range, a long answer. But if it's same arrow, then only one answer. Okay, so that's why the answer is A for this one. Okay, so next one. Okay, this one guys, try. This one a bit more complex because involves fraction a bit, but I think should be no problem lah. So what answer you get for this? Okay, so the answer will be D lah. Okay, guys, you should get D. Okay, so this one again you can expand. Same step. Make sure you expand. And then you can combine. Gabungkan dua pecahan ni jadi pecahan tunggal, single fraction. So you get like this. And then, guys, how to continue from here? Can anyone tell me like this? Although it's inequality, what can I do here to solve for x? What's the step? Yes, cross multiply. Still can use butterfly. Wow, nice term. Okay, correct. I understand your method also. Butterfly means cross multiply. Okay, so you can solve and see lah. You should be able to get the answer. Okay, so make sure you gather all the terms, and then pi x minus 25 means you will get negative. Wait, let me try to see. Oh, sorry, the 3 missing here. Okay, this one also must times inside. Sorry. Okay, 3 times of 2x plus 2. So 5x minus 25 less than or equal to 6x plus 9. Okay, so negative x less than or equal to negative 34. Sorry, so I must plus 34. So guys, remember, switch symbol. Negative bring to the other side, must switch symbol. So you get x greater than or equal to negative 34. So this is the answer. Okay, so that's why your answer will be donkey. Okay, guys, clear? Any problem? This is another type. How to know where is the region? Okay, based on the number line. So can you guys try and see what do you get for this one? This question.
Anna,
Yes.
sorry,
It's
lambat
okay. I know
masuk.
you're late. It's okay. I know.
I forget
Everybody
already
very
though.
very common. I know. No
Okay,
worries.
now your health okay, yeah.
Okay, the
I
very
also
normal.
think same like you get worst.
I feel like the health of the people in my group is more dangerous than the health of mine now, the way I see lah. Everyone's so silent over there. I don't know what's happening also to them. Whether they are sick, whether they are pain with Amali, whether they heartbreak, I don't know lah. But I feel like their health is more worse than mine now, the way it looks. So guys, what's the answer for this?
Basically, it's at SPM.
I think you guys getting, I don't know lah. Don't know what's happening. Okay, yeah, D will be the answer, guys, for this one. Okay, so again, follow back. This one you must solve. Okay, so 3m greater than 6 means m greater than 2. Okay, so this one definitely out lah. Wrong region already. Must be greater than 2. Lebih besar dari 2. And then this one you must solve also. So this one you will get m greater than or equal to 5. So again, you must see lah. This one point here, this one point here. So where is the region? Of course, this one lah, the intersection of the two lines. Titik persilangan, dua-dua kotak kesamaan. So that's why C is wrong. Okay, so that's why D is the answer. Okay, so this is how you solve this kind of question. I'm just trying to see all types of question for you all. Okay, this one, I think you all can try also. What answer do you get? This one? Okay, yeah, D will be the answer. Okay, again, you must solve simultaneous lah. This one, guys. Okay, you can do, and then I think you will get final answer. You will get something like this. But then they ask you minimum and maximum, so you must consider lah without the. Aida, you take Amali, yeah. Okay, so the minimum here will be -4, and then the max you can go to 5. Less than 5.2 means 5. Greater than -4.4 means -4. So that's why D will be the answer. Oh, guys, you all don't have an excuse already. Got one person take Amali, still answer me all the question. So what's your excuse, guys? Tell me. The rest here who never answer. What's your excuse? Got one person answer me.
I never take Amali.
Not you, I'm telling the rest before itself. Why you all so tired then? Steven? Ashlina? Answers? No answer. There, Taktao. Okay, he got bonus. He only take 2. Don't know, Haida, you balik school at 6, That one your case, lah, Steven, not everyone. That one is your case. I feel so. I don't think it's for everyone. Okay, so this is the answer. Never mind. We continue. Come. Okay, this one, guys. How to? Can you tell me the equation for this situation? Just tell me the equation. What to construct? 13, 14 plus x. Not really. Wait, let me see. Let me counter check. 13 plus 14 x. 182 plus 13. Let me check. Okay, yes. But what, not equal, Saida. The equal sign is wrong. At least. Yes, okay, correct. Going to finish already. Okay, so yeah, this how the inequality will be, guys. So basically, you can assume the length is equal to x lah for the rectangle. Panjang segi 4 tepat 2x. So mean that the perimeter will be 2 times of x plus 2 times of 14 because you have 2 lengths and 2 widths in a rectangle. So it's 2x plus 28. And then now you have 13. So times the whole thing by 13. At least greater than equal to 1040. Okay, so this is your equation lah, guys. Then you just need to solve this only. So your answer should be, Haida, what answer do you get? Or the others, what is your minimum length? Basically, it's your x value lah. You must find your x value. D, how you get D? Others? Minimum, you know, minimum length. Yes, A is the answer. Okay, you should get A. Okay, if you solve correctly, you can see the working here lah. It should be something like this. Okay, so I think this inequality shouldn't be that hard to solve lah. It's a basic one only. Okay, so you should get the answer for this one. Okay, so next one. I think this one you all no problem lah. I skip this one because this one's the same type. This one is quite interesting, guys. I like this question. Can you all try this? I don't know. I didn't check the marking scheme. I just do my answer only. Why cannot times 2? Which one? What do you mean by times 2? Where's the times 2? I don't see. I don't. Oh, you meaning that one? You mean this one? Wait, let me think and see. But then still for one rectangle is 14 and x what? So your total perimeter for one rectangle still maintain 2x plus 28. And then you got 13 identical. Oh, you're telling like that? I don't think so lah. The question meaning like that. Because they didn't say must put on top of one another. Because they just say total perimeter only. I think so lah. Because I didn't check the scheme for this one. So I assume it's like this lah. The way you do it. Unless got some trick over here. Which I'm not so sure. If they make certain assumption lah. But if your case, then I see the sense lah. But just for this question, we make it easy lah, guys. We assume like just find the total. Cari jumlah saja. We assume it like that. So easier way. Okay. So this one, guys, can you try this question and see what answer you will get? This one is the interesting part. Others, I want everyone to try. This one last already. Last question, guys. Come on, everyone here try. This one is quite what to say, a lot of concept lah. Because it's not only finding the answer, you must find the smallest value. Others, guys, what answer you all get? Some more. I don't know how to do. How D or how to do? Wait, yeah, the answer is B. Okay, guys, your answer kamu sepatutnya dapat B lah. I explain to you because this one a bit more concept you all need to know. Okay, so this one you must solve as normal lah. You will get x less than 10 over 3. And then they tell you that 5 is less than y is less than or equal to 12. Okay, so now they ask you smallest value of y over x. So guys, how to decide? How to decide your value of y and x to count this? They want the smallest, you know. So guys, can I ask you basic mathematics? This value should be big or small. Adakah nilai y kena besar atau kecil untuk dapat jawapan kecil? Small. How about the x? Should the x be big or small to get small? Yes, big. Physics, guys, directly proportional, inversely proportional. These two is directly proportional. These two is inversely proportional. So that's why top is small, bottom is big. So then you choose accordingly lah. Y value must be small. So guys, what y value can I take from here? Apa nilai y saya boleh ambil to get the small value y? What is the possible value? Yes, 6. 5 cannot because less than. I mean, y greater than 5. So 6 is one option. And then biggest value of x, guys. Based on this, what can be the biggest value? What is the possibility? Biggest I can go. Whole number lah, of course. Huh? How? 11/3. Less than, Mirindra. You have to follow the condition. Less than. By 1 the biggest. What is 9/3? 9/3 is 3 lah. Okay, so the answer is 6/3, which is equal to 2. That's why B is the answer. Okay, guys, do you get it? Clear? This one a bit different kind of question, so quite nice to discuss lah. This one, you must know this concept: inversely proportional and directly proportional. This one you all learn in variation lah, if I'm not mistaken. Ubahan kan? Why suddenly loading? This one also must be the Amali gang, the Amali fatigue. You all get the signals already. Tired from Amali. See, another one also joined the gang already. Okay, never mind. We stop here today. Okay, so I give you a quote. You all read the quote lah. Okay, one day you will be so glad for dropping the idea of quitting today. So the idea is don't quit lah. Jangan putus asa. Although you feel tired, continue doing. Cause not enough time. Really, guys, not enough time already. Very close. January, February, habis. So don't stress so much about the Amali until you forget what's ahead of you. Okay, because the new year is coming already. Okay, so again, if you all need help, refer to the channel. I think you all need the channel now very much, right? Am I right, guys? Because it's a good revision for you all. All the chapter videos is there. Just go to YouTube, watch only. Simple. All the revision you get already from there. Okay, guys? So are you clear with this chapter? Better? Oh,